morning, everybody. Today in our devotional for March 4th, it says, confess your faith. 1 John chapter 4, verse 15. If anyone acknowledges that Jesus is the Son of God, God lives in them, and they in God. Romans chapter 10, verse 9 and 10. If you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. For with the heart one believes and is justified, and with the mouth one confesses and is saved. Matthew chapter 10, verses 32 and 33. Therefore, whoever confesses me before men, him I will also confess before my Father, who is in heaven. But whoever denies me before men, him I will also deny before my Father who is in heaven. Matthew chapter 16, verse 16. Simon Peter answered, You are the Messiah, the Son of the living God. James chapter 2, verse 17 and 26. So you see, faith by itself isn't enough, unless it produces good deeds. It is dead and useless, just as the body is dead without breath. So also faith is dead without good works. Galatians chapter 5, verse 6. The only thing that counts is faith, expressing itself through love. Philippians chapter 2, verse 10 and 11. At the name of Jesus, every knee shall bow, and every tongue declare that Jesus Christ is Lord. And at the bottom it says, when you confess your faith with your mouth, it becomes engraved in your heart. Then your life becomes the confession that God is your Lord. A confession of faith lived out shows greater evidence of who God is than the one recited by the mouth. Maybe you should choose today to believe in spite of your doubts and struggles. Confess your faith with your mouth, keep it in your heart, and live it out every day. That's a really good devotional for today. But I hope you all are enjoying these devotionals. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Share the videos. That's the only way that people will see them, is if you give it a like or you comment or you share it, okay? So share the videos if you like them. Let me know if you like them. And I hope you have a very blessed day. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.